Hi friends, welcome to the Authentication app. Today we are going to create the middleware. Create middleware file. We are going to create the error middleware. Create a error middleware in middlewares folder or directory. Go to the server. In the server section, go to the src folder. In this folder, create a one folder called middlewares. Already I have created the middlewares folder. Here create a one file called error.middlewares.js. That file name called error.middlewares.js file. Clear this file and import the mongoose from mongoose. Then import the utility helper file called API error from dot slash utilities slash util slash API error dot js and create a one function called const error middleware equal to function first first parameter. In this first parameter is a error, second parameter is a request, third parameter is a response, and fourth parameter is the next. Arrow function let I'm going to take the error equal to err and write a one condition called if not of not of error is not instance of not of error is an instance of API error. Not of error is instance of API error. We are going to write the inside this const status status code or status print anything. Const status code equal to error of error dot status or error dot status code or error is an instance of suppose error dot status code is not there, error dot status code is not there, error dot status is not there. We are going to compare this. We are going to check the instance of mongoose dot error. We are going to check this instance whether the error is instance of mongoose error. We are going to write the condition error 400 or we are going to take the 500. Next one is a const message equal to error dot message. I'm going to take the message also same error dot message. If the message is not existed or not undefined, we are going to take the my own message, custom message like a something went wrong. Something went wrong. Same like you can bind these two things into the error object. Error object. I'm going to recreate the API error once again. Error equal to API error of it is a class, that's why we can make it as a constructor. It is a class. API error is a class. We are going to call this as a using the new keyword. Inside this, you have to pass the you can check here also. What is the first parameter is the constructor parameter is status code. The second one is the message. If the errors are there, you can pass the error dot errors, or you can pass the comma. You can pass the stat. I'm going to pass first to status code, comma, message, comma, error dot errors. Or if the error dot error is not existed, I'm going to pass the empty 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 array, empty array. I'm not going to pass the stat here. I'm going to pass the stat. Uh, I'm going to check the. I'm going to pass the stat when the my application is running on the development environment only. For that, you have to make the in the .env section. Here you have to take the node env node env equal to development development development. Come here again. Let const response equal to dot dot rest of sorry spread of err comma message column sorry spread of error comma message column error dot message comma, and for a stack sorry not product process dot env dot node env equal to development environment. In this case I'm going to pass in this case only I'm going to pass the error dot stat. In the production environment, I'm not going to pass the error. Only in the case of development environment only, I'm going to pass. For that reason only, I have not passed here. I have taken a separately here. After checking the condition of process.env dot node env equal to development. If the condition is satisfied, I'm going to pass the stack column error dot stat. Return the response dot status. Return the response dot status equal to error dot status code. Error dot status code dot JSON response. JSON response. Let's export this one also. Export error middleware. Export this error middleware. Where you have to use this error middleware here. Come here in the app section. In the after completing all the routes here in the list in the bottom of the app.js, here you have to pass. Here you can make it as a error middleware app.use of error middleware. Here you have to pass the don't forget here .js. I'm going to import about the health checker. Okay, I'm going to import here. At the bottom of the all the rows, after completing all the rows, I'm going to pass this error middleware. What is the happen here means with the error middleware? First, when we are writing the logic of the when we writing the controllers of the register controller and the login controller, these type of controllers in the controllers file, when the error is present in the anywhere of the controller, when the error is triggered in the anywhere of the controller, it will catch where the async yeah async the async handler will catch the error and it will call the next function. This next function will automatically call the this one, which one, this error middleware. This one it will be called. This error middleware will be called, and it will check the condition. It will check the condition whether my error is belongs to the API error or not. If it is not belongs to API error, it will check whether the status dot error dot status and error dot status code, any one of this, or it not belongs to any both of these. It will going to check this condition. It will going to check this condition like error is an instance of mongoose dot error. Mongoose dot error. It will satisfy this condition. It will return the false. It will not satisfy this one also. It will automatically return the 500 error, and same like message also. First, it will going to check the message is present in the any one of the message properties present in the error or not. If it is message properties present in the error, it will return the error dot message. If not present, it will take the something went wrong and something went wrong message. After completing these two things, we are going to creating the new object. New object using the status code and message and error dot errors. Error dot error. Same. Using after completing this condition, we are going to taking the one object. We are going to taking the one object like a response object. We are going to spreading the error. We are going to spread the error. In that, we are going to take the one parameter, external parameter like a external property like a message. I'm going to make it as a message column error dot message. Same like I'm going to checking the I'm going to one more spread operator. One more spread I'm going to take, that is a stack. But for the if you want to take the stack as a property in the my response, if it is going to belongs to the development environment only. Sorry, my application should be running on the development environment only. In that case only, I'm going to take the stack column error dot stack. If it is not belongs to development environment, something it is belongs to production environment or testing environment, I'm going to not going to print my stack. I'm going not going to print the stack error. Stack error. After completing this, you are going to return the response in the JSON format. We are going to response in the JSON format. After completing this one, I'm going to export the error middleware here in the app.js file. In the app.js file, I'm going to use this one. Use the error middleware. In this case only, if you can use this error middleware only, in this case only, you will able to uh, enable the errors and enable the error format and error handling in the controllers. Sorry, error handling in the application. If you're not going to use this one, it is this file is presented unnecessarily. It will not reflect this file. Actually, this middleware is will not reflected. This middleware function will not be called if you cannot use the error middleware. We will see this. We will see this how to work on the error middleware, and how to like how the this error middleware will be called while writing the controllers and while testing the application using the Postman or something other other client side tools. We will see this how this error middleware is triggered when the application will be failed or application get thrown a errors. That's all, friends. Uh, writing the middleware is completed. If you like my content and if you like my explanation, please like the video and subscribe my channel and support my channel.